love the stock market. Yes, I do. I got 2 channels. I do my own research and everything else in the stock market to make my choices. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't trust anything I say. But at the end of last year, there's 2 channels that I found that if you like the stock market, these 2 channels are probably somebody you might want to watch. Of course, if you go, I'm going to leave the link down below and at the end. And if you do go over there, I don't get anything for it, but you can tell them Papa Texas sent me. I'm Papa Texas, just an old man that makes outdoor cooking videos on YouTube. If you like that, you know, subscribe, hit that bell, you know, hit that bell. The first one is Chris up north, Chartology. I only watch the videos he makes. That's the stocks that I'm into, and I love my stocks. I mean, I'll tell you what, when that China virus came in, like March, and it dove the stock market, everybody was taking their money out, and the stock market was going, woo! I stayed right there, but I had some money on the side, and I did sell a few things, but I bought the things that I thought, with this mess that's going on, I revamped. And from March to December, that short time period in 2020, my account went up $400,000 over, actually. But that's my own doing. It's just my personal preference. So anyway, I'm gonna leave a link down below for Chris and for Jason. Buy on the rumor, sell on the news. He's over there in Florida. He's a coach, and his team wins, actually. So he's on vacation right now in this summertime because he's a coach. So anyway, I'll leave their link down below. Go over there. I get nothing for it. Tell them Papa Texas sent you. One of them went from, at the end of last year, from 0 to 8,000 something. The other one went from 0 to 11,000 something, because they're talking about stocks, and people are interested in that. And if you're not interested yet, check them out, and you will become interested in it, because you should. You know, you get old like me, you should have millions of dollars. You can't do that if you don't save money and invest money. Alright? Think about your future. Think about your retirement. Even when you're 18. Yeah. I'm going to tell you a couple stocks. I'm not a financial advisor. A couple stocks for you to look into for yourself. I did buy some coin. It's below what I paid for it, but I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. Cosmos, K-O-S. I bought into that, and it's really kind of kicked off. G-News, Genius Brand, G-N-U-S. I think that's going to be doing pretty good. I do not own GameStop, but I keep an eye on it. B Square I own. I'm down on that one. BSQR. YMTX. WATT. VBIV. These are ones that have done good today, you know. Most of them I'm up on. This transportation one, TLSS, I think is really interesting. It slowly came up a little bit today. Taste, T-A-S-T, has to do, if you look into it, has to do with restaurants and stuff. They're doing really good. Snap, oh my gosh, I bought Snap at $9, and it's at $61.37. I'm gonna sell it probably 72 bucks. So I got Oxy. Let's just go through these. MVIS, Ms. Mavis. She made a remarkable run today. She went up $2.08 during the day and 33 cents after hours. I think that will continue personally. LI, the company overseas, doing good. Let's flip through here. DNLI, pharmaceutical. Gosh, I'm in that one at $20 and it's at $71.84. I do own Comstock, which is an oil and gas company, and CRK, and I think it has great potential. That's my thoughts. Now, of course, going toward hydrogen and everything else, I got Plug, PLUG, FCEL, FCEL, and for drones, I have UAVS. I think they all have those three have great futures coming up. Those are mine. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't just go by what I say. Don't go blinded by me. You just take that kind of information, like with Chris and Jason. You take their information and you turn around and do your own investigation and make your own decisions up. Because you only live once. And you don't want to be hungry when you're old. Gotta love this stock market. It's doing fantastic if you keep up with it. Don't just put it away in a 401k and say, I'm gonna let them take care of it and pay them this percentage and all this kind of stuff. No. Take care of it yourself. I'm with Fidelity. I love them. Doing great with them. I'm doing great on my own. It's Papa Texas outdoor cooking channel. And we got Papa's Kitchen. All right. Have a fantastic rest of the week. It's Papa Texas. See you. Get your stock on.